Hi guys, good afternoon. Thank you so much po sa taong nagpadala nito from So yun po, na-receive ko na yung package. Thank you po.
Here's the open gift of I'm not gonna mention the name, pero I'm sure makikita naman dito kapag sinunod. Thank you so much. At last, finally, na-receive ko na po ang birthday gift ko from her. And we're gonna unbox this now. There you go. What is this? Sock? Different kind of sock. Oh my god! It's not just a sock. It's so cute. For nurse sock. It's so cute. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. Yeah. This is so cute. Thank you. Thank you, Bebe. Right, and I have the other one. Ooh! I have this one, planner. Oh, this like, I have a nurse planner. Oh shit, this is the best! Marshall Ruiz nurse note. I love this. Thank you, Bebe. There's another one. Ooh, pen, syringe pen. Different colors. And syringe copy pen. Yeah, there's a lot here actually. Wow. This is so cute. And what is this? Oh my god, what is this? Sorry. Actually, I already have this. Yeah, I'm using different design, but this one is really cute. Okay. Marsha. Oh, personalized. I don't know if you can see it, guys, but then, yeah. Here, RM Marshall. Yeah, it's RM Marshall. Yeah. Oh, so cute. Thank you so much, Baba. I love it. Thank you. Happy. Thank you so much, Beth. Thank you. I like all those gifts, actually. I really like it. So cute po. I think, she sent this before my birthday, but then I just received now kasi nga, nagkaroon ng dilubyo sa Dubai. There were a lot of, visiting, busy stuff. I was expecting this to be delivered at work, but then nalaman ko nga sa kanya kahapon when she went to the post office na kailangan ko palang i-pick up here sa post office din dito. But then, so
yeah, at least nandito na po, nasa akin na, and they are so cutie po. Thank you so much.